guys. Wait.
Let's go! Come on! Let's get it! Come on! Come on, Zeddy! Go! Come on, Zeddy! Who wants it? Come on, Ernst. Come on, Donnie. Come on, Donnie. Like last time. Come on. Like the first time, Donnie. Oh, hands up.
Hey, good work today. Let's go, good work. Let's go work on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Week 3 is ended. This is a short sprint now. We end this cycle, the week leading up to spring break. It's over. We come back, we got a few workouts in the morning, some weightlifting, and we go spring ball. Let's go. Woo! Hey, bring it tight. All right? Let's have a great day tomorrow. Get better. 1% better tomorrow. Okay? Work to win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Work to win.